Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you guys are new. I hope you all had a great productive day. I'm going to be showing you guys the second productive hairstyle that I've done here on my channel. I did this hairstyle on Instagram way back when fall first started. It's now December and perfect time for another protective style. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a tutorial on that, and I got a whole bunch of yeses. So again, here I am. If you guys are from Instagram, by the way, thank you all for being so interactive on there. I really have appreciated the constant support and interaction from you guys. It makes my job a lot easier when it comes to filming and editing and making videos that you guys want to see. So again, thank you so much. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? Go ahead and head over there now, because I interact with you guys a lot more frequently over there, and I also get a lot of your feedback. You can find me at Kiana_Hackett, or the link that's in the description box down below. So I'm showing you guys this hairstyle, and I'm going to be using some of the new products from Luster's Pink new shea butter and coconut oil line. Don't worry guys, I actually have a review coming on these items to let you know what I liked about them, what I disliked about them, if you should buy them, the whole nine. Make sure you stick around for when that video is uploaded. And if this is your first time seeing me or visiting my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to become part of my natural hair journey. And in a sense, your natural hair journey, because we grow together on this channel. So thank you guys in advance for whatever you do. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. I'm gonna go ahead and start off on washed and conditioned hair. As mentioned, this video is not about the products that I used, but if you guys are interested in how I feel about these products, what I liked, what I disliked, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, become part of the family, turn on your post notifications so that you're notified when your girl finally uploads my review on these products. Alright guys, so I'm now out the shower. I'm going to go ahead and start with the protective style. All we're going to do is go ahead and put some twists in the back of our hair. I think I might do 3-strand twists, and then we're going to flat twist the front. So I already have videos up on both of these things, how to 3-strand twist, and also a video up on how to flat twist. So I will have those links down below in the description box and also at the top right of your screen, so go check that out if you guys are interested. For my product lineup, I'm going to be using Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Moisturizing Hair Milk. This product is specifically made to hydrate, seal in moisture, soften, and control frizz. As mentioned before on my channel, I do have high porosity hair, which means that water and moisture easily enters my hair strand, but also just as easily leaves. So in order to make sure that I keep moisture as long as possible, I'm going to use this to help seal. I'm also going to be using the Super Moisturizing Curl Definer. You can use this for like a wash and go or curl definer, but you can also use it for twist out and or braid outs. I'm also going to use the Lush Growth Oil, just of course to help promote hair growth. And I already have a sealant, so I'm not going to use this so much as a sealant on my hair this time. So there's not really that much that I can say for this part of the video, except that I already have a 3-strand twist tutorial and a flat twist tutorial up on my channel. It'll be at the top right of your screen, so go check that out if you guys don't know how to do that. I'm pretty much going to do 3-strand twists on the entire back half of my head, and then once I get to the top, I kind of do different. I really can't explain the parts. I gave myself a deep side part, going from the arch of my eyebrow all the way back. Made that a triangle because it's gonna be my bangs. I did another triangle and had one rectangle on the other side. I really don't know. Just watch the video, guys. Hopefully you can pick up on a few things here. So when I got to the front half of my hair, I did go in with the Smooth and Hold Edge Gel just to make sure that my parts were really nice and clean and crisp, and just to make sure that all my little baby flyaways stayed down. I thought this product was okay, but that's all I'm going to say. Oh, hold on, wait. Got bars. No, I'm just joking. That's all I'm going to say for this product, but make sure that you guys stick around to see the review video that I'm going to upload here on my channel. to show how much I appreciate the recent support and interaction on my Instagram, I am going to be doing a 2K giveaway. We're almost at the 1.5K mark, so I went ahead and boosted up to 2K. So leave some suggestions down below about what you guys would be interested in winning on Instagram. And then, of course, go over to my Instagram and follow me on there because you'll get frequent updates about the giveaway. I think twists of any sort, whether it's flat twist, 3-strand twist, 2-strand twist, are great for protective styles because they're super easy to install, and depending on how well you keep them up, moisturizing them, wrapping them up, you can keep them in your hair for a decent amount of time. I think it differs per person, but it's great because it's slow manipulation, protects your ends, moisture retention, growth retention, all things that we're looking for when it comes to protective style. So I usually try to stick to twists when I do a protective style or braids, but like I said, twists are just so easy to maintain and install and just a lot easier for me. So I usually prefer twist over braids. Now you can choose to wear this down, but I just went ahead and pulled mine up because it looked a lot better to me. So personal preference. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you all liked it. If you guys tried this out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Kiana_Hackett. Also, just want to say thank you guys for the recent support, both on Instagram and here on YouTube. You guys are the realest MVPs. Let's try and get this video to maybe 150 views in a week. I know you guys can do it. So again, share with your family, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. It all helps me by helping people discover my YouTube channel. So whatever you choose to do is always appreciated. That's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I hope you all enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Much love.